Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. In this video, we'll be revealing a full guide on how to make money using ChatGPT in 2023. Yes, you heard it right. You can actually earn money with ChatGPT, and we'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So, if you're curious and ready to explore this amazing opportunity, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's briefly talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, and it's designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's incredibly versatile, and people have been using it for various tasks, including writing, coding, and even making money. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth can you make money with ChatGPT? Well, there are several exciting ways, and we're going to cover the most effective ones. So grab your notepads and pay close attention. The first method we're going to explore is content creation. Businesses and individuals are always on the lookout for engaging and well-written content. With ChatGPT's help, you can create captivating blog posts, video scripts, and social media content that people will love. The demand for content is massive, and you can offer your services as a freelance writer or even start your content creation agency. ChatGPT's knowledge is vast, and you can leverage that to become an online tutor. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can use ChatGPT as a teaching assistant to prepare lessons, answer questions, and even hold interactive tutoring sessions. It's a fantastic way to share your expertise while earning a handsome income. Are you passionate about a specific topic or skill? Well, why not turn that passion into profit? You can create digital products like ebooks, online courses, or guides with the help of ChatGPT. Use the AI's writing capabilities to make your content even more valuable and comprehensive. Then, you can sell these products on various platforms and earn passive income. Social media marketing is a powerful tool for businesses, but managing multiple accounts can be time-consuming. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Use it to schedule posts, engage with the audience, and even analyze data to optimize your social media strategy. You can offer these services to businesses and entrepreneurs, becoming their go-to AI-powered social media manager. The opportunities to make money with ChatGPT in 2023 are endless. Whether you're a creative writer, a tutor, an entrepreneur, or a social media enthusiast, ChatGPT can become your trusted companion in your journey towards success. So, why wait? Start exploring these avenues today, and let us know in the comments which method you're most excited about. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care and keep rocking, my friends.